Nestled in the Sahyadri hills of Maharashtra, the Ajanta caves are a wonder of ancient India. Dating back to as early as the 2nd century BCE, these 30 rock-cut caves were created in 2 phases, spanning centuries. They served as monasteries and prayer halls for Buddhist monks, preserving the essence of a thriving spiritual era. But these aren't just caves. They are masterpieces, adorned with intricate carvings and vivid murals that bring to life the teachings of the Buddha and the artistry of a bygone time. Over 2000 years ago, in an era where rulers sought immortality through towering palaces, a humble community of monks envisioned a sanctuary. This wasn't a display of wealth but a testament to inner peace and spiritual clarity. Why were these caves carved? To answer this, we must step back, beyond the chisels, beyond the murals, and into the minds of those who labored tirelessly in the dark. The Ajanta caves were born out of devotion. They were crafted as viharas, monastic quarters, and chatyas, prayer halls, for Buddhist monks who renounced worldly life. These were not mere shelters but spaces of reflection, spaces where seekers could meditate on life's greatest questions. Each stroke of the hammer, each brush of paint, was a prayer. The artisans weren't just creating art, they were channeling stories of the Buddha, stories that resonated with universal truths of compassion, humility, and perseverance. Here, the walls speak. They tell tales of the Buddha's past lives, where he chose sacrifice over comfort, wisdom over ignorance. These stories were meant to inspire, not kings or nobles, but ordinary people. And isn't that the lesson we all need today? That greatness is achieved not by what we accumulate but by what we give back. Visiting Ajanta is not just about marveling at its beauty. It's about understanding its intent. These caves whisper a message across centuries, that faith, purpose, and community can achieve the impossible. Imagine this, working in near darkness, with rudimentary tools, carving stories into stone for decades, perhaps lifetimes. What drove them? It was the belief that what they were building was larger than themselves. A sanctuary for thought, a beacon for seekers. Today, as we rush through life, chasing fleeting achievements, the Ajanta caves ask us to pause, to reflect, to remember that what endures isn't what we take, but what we leave behind. These caves teach us that collaboration matters. Artisans, monks, and patrons all came together with a singular purpose, to build something meaningful. What purpose drives you? What story are you carving into the fabric of your life? The Ajanta caves aren't just relics, they're a mirror. A reminder that amidst chaos, there can be calm. Amidst doubt, there can be faith. So, when you visit, don't just look, listen. For these caves are alive, speaking a language of purpose, unity, and timeless wisdom.